The Golden Gate is a famous bridge located on San Francisco Bay and connecting the city of San Francisco and Marin County. Full name, Golden Gate Bridge. This red suspension bridge has become an architectural landmark. Since its construction in 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge has been considered one of the most recognized bridges in the world. The Golden Gate Bridge has a main span that is 2.7 kilometers long, and its length between towers is approximately 1.3 kilometers. Towers are one of the features that increase the height of the bridge and add character to its architecture. The tops of the towers are kept high so that they can be seen even on densely foggy days. This iconic bridge is important not only as a means of transportation but also as a tourist attraction.